Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just doing an untubing of the diamond painting that my friend Lorna gave me. As far as I know, she bought it at the Craft Expo yesterday. No, day before yesterday. So when I did the Craft Expo haul video, I said that I would do the unboxing separately. So let's just, or untubing. So this was from the Warehouse Stationery store. Right. Very nicely tubed. So they say this is a 31 by 33. It's around. This is what she looks like, or he looks like. I don't know. Can we tell whether a wolf is male or female? I don't know, same as a doggy, I guess. Very sticky. The symbols are pretty small, which is good, but you can still see them, so they're not encroaching on the, you know, the circles aren't in the way when you do your placement, so that's very nice. They seem to have their own DMC code system, as you can see. It starts with a Z. All good. Just a bit of crinkling, hang fire. It says Dreamcatcher on the back. Okay, cool. So these are individual. I'm going to use the baggie that I got some goodies in yesterday, so that's going to be quite cool. So number 10, we've got 17 colors, 9, 8, 7, 11. So a lot of natural colors, browns, greys. Let's do 17, 14, 6. Okay, so with what I really like is, you can tell that's a 9 by the way that the font is printed, and you can tell that this is a 6 because of where the strip is on this side. It shows you that's a 9, so you can assume that this is a 6. That's very nice. Nice touch there. 4, 5, 13. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All the colors are here. A very, very big block of wax. And a one placer with a green funnel. Let's do a little measurement here, just for the sake of it. So what's nice as well is you can see from the drill field, it kind of ends just before the end of the frame, so it gives you a little bit of a nice ending to the design, which is quite cool. I like that. So I'm going to take it from pasting area to pasting area, so that's 26.8. So we're looking at the entire canvas. That's 33. Yes, so they work with the entire canvas, which is fine. Just be mindful when you're buying a frame or something like that, that you just work with the pasting area and not the entire canvas. Yeah, so they actually work with the entire canvas space. Not a problem at all. So that was very, very sweet of her. I felt quite special that she thought of me when she was at the Craft Expo, even though we were going to see each other the next day. So it really warmed my heart quite a bit. Lorna, if you're watching, thanks again for all the goodies that you got for me. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you very much for inviting us along and giving us a heads up of the expo. And we hope that we can go to the expo in November in Hamilton. Alright then. Okay guys, so this was a very short but oh so sweet video of my unboxing of my wolf with a dream catcher. If you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button. If you liked the video, please click the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. See you, bye!